Hey, I'm Carlotta. I'm a first-year student in software engineering, and a few months ago I gave a programming course for a weekend for young children. And one of the girls asked me, when did I actually know that I want to become a software engineer? And actually that was shortly before I applied for this program. I did some kind of programming course more by chance than by actually planning that. And I realized that I was actually pretty decent at software engineering, that it was a lot of fun. And I really wish that I would have discovered that sooner in school or even younger than that. So our group, we're 6 people, we decided that we want to make programming more accessible for children. So we thought of a way how we could make some kind of programming platform that teaches code in a really fun and interactive way. So that's how we came up with the project called MonkeyCar. And in this video we're going to explain how MonkeyCar works and what exactly you can do with this.
Our core functionality entails that you can drag and drop code blocks into the canvas. Here I will select some random ones. Furthermore, if we want, we can rearrange these by moving them in different positions. If there's a certain code block that I don't want, I can drag this to the trash icon and delete them. But maybe I want to start fresh, so I'll press the clear button and press yes to clear them all out. If there are no code blocks currently on the canvas, the website will indicate this. But let's test out a new sequence. The user is allowed to drag and drop and then enter an input into the code block. So I'm going to move 5 seconds forward, then I will choose to move 2 seconds backwards, wait 1 second, and then move 45 degrees left. Let's test out this code. As you can see, these actions are then reciprocated onto the emulator.
Let's rerun the sequence. However, if I don't want to execute all of the actions, all we need to do is just press the stop button and the car will stop immediately. As we mentioned, one of our main objectives is to teach the fundamentals of coding. For this, we implemented some basic programming functions, such as the repeat code block, that represents the well-known loop. This code block allows users to introduce other code blocks inside it that will be executed repeatedly according to the user's input. It can be seen now in the execution that the car will execute the same sequence of actions of moving forward 2 seconds and turning to the left 45 degrees twice, and then continue with the normal execution of the rest of the code blocks placed in the canvas. Finally, if during the execution of the code blocks the user ends up colliding with any element of the terrain, the car will immediately send a notification to the web page showing the information of the crash, as well as where it has been detected, so that our user can react to it by placing other code blocks.